continuation on our 2D stiffness matrix in direct stiffness method example problem. This time, we're going to solve or reduce our structure matrix or general global structure matrix into an augmented matrix considering the known forces and the known deflection. Then, solving for the unknown deflection and reaction at the support. First step is to reduce our structure matrix. Reduce our matrix. So basically, 0 na yung U4, V5, and V6. Kasi alam na natin na walang deflection doon sa part na yon. So how come magiging 0 yan, sir? Ganito lang naman po yan. That is known forces times this matrix times the unknown matrix plus this matrix times the known matrix. So that is P1 to 3 and this matrix times this. Then the augmented matrix for the reaction, the unknown force or the support forces, this matrix times the unknown deflection plus this matrix times the known deflection using that formula. Okay? First is for us to solve the unknown deflection. Remember, we are using stiffness approach where we need first to solve the deflection before the reactions. Unknown deflection. Unknown deflection. Ito yung ating formula. Known forces P1, 2, 3 and unknown deflection. Kunin mo yung matrix na yan times yung matrix na yan plus yung matrix na ito times yung matrix na yan. Okay? Kaya ako sinabing 0 na yung U4, 5, and 6 kasi wala naman pong deflection sa nodes na yon or sa axis forces na yon. So basically, tanggal na yan. So makulit ka, ilagay natin sa solution. So matrix na ito times 0, which is simply also 0. Substitute known forces for member 1, component 1, 2, 3, 0, 80, and 0 yung ating joint load matrix. Multiply matrix 3 by 3 with matrix 3 by 1. Gives us a 3 by 1 matrix. So how do we do that? Ito magiging 0 na. Multiply mo yan diyan. 0 na yan. So cancel mo na. Ito na lang. A value equal to this value times this. So basically, magiging inverse. Okay? Minus ito, PK minus the known deflection equal to the unknown deflection. So, cancel na si S12DK kasi 0 na yan. Divide natin si S11 sa PK. Pero magiging inverse yung ating matrix. 1 over this. So, inverse lang yon. Inverse of this matrix times this matrix is simply this one. So, ano yung inverse ng matrix na ito? Inverse of this matrix is this. Multiply with this matrix. So 3 by 3 times 3 by 1 gives us a 3 by 1 matrix, which gives us now the deflection on component 1, 2, and 3. That will gives us a solution on the reaction at the support. Ngayon, susolve na natin si P4, P5, and P6. That is the known tama ba? the unknown forces equal to this matrix times the unknown matrix plus this matrix times this known matrix. Again, this times this will immediately turn to 0. So you can just simply substitute the solve deflection from kanina, then multiply that matrix to this matrix, gives us the reaction on each support, which is at P4, 5, and 6. The reaction at the hinge horizontally is negative 80 kilonewton. The reaction on the roller and on the hinge vertically is negative 80 kilonewton, and the reaction on the roller vertically is 80 kilonewton. Yan lang naman pagsosolve ng deflection and reaction at the support. Next up on our lecture will be the solution on the forces on each member, or the coordinate transformation, the member and displacement and forces, whether they are in compression or in tension. Then identify the forces on the members.